Good morning students. Saira, welcome back to the computer session. In the last session, we have started a new lesson, that is chapter number 3, Microsoft PowerPoint. So, we will continue the same chapter. Let us revise what we have learned in the last session. In the last session, we have learned what is PowerPoint. The PowerPoint is a component of MS Office suite which is used to create simple and appealing presentations. In that, we have learned how to start a MS Office PowerPoint. That is, start all programs, Microsoft Office, and select a Microsoft PowerPoint, and how to select a blank presentation, and adding text, saving a presentation, and opening an existing presentation. Okay. Now, let us learn one by one. Let us revise one by one. Now, the save. Okay. Now, open a new blank presentation. Office button, right, and select a new and layout. So, we have learned the different layouts, right? What are the layout? So, you can use a title style, title content, right, and section header, to content. These are all what different layouts in presentation. Okay, based on your presentation, you can select a layout, and we have learned how to add the text. Okay, so to enter the title, okay, title in a slide, you can click on to add title placeholder. Okay, the text box appears with the cursor in the center, right? So, okay, you can see here this, right, and we have learned how to save the presentation. So, how to save the presentation, what are the so important, that is the saving is important, right? So, you have to save your work frequently. So, click on the save, right, okay, can the save or save as, okay, and from quick access toolbar, or you can use a office button also, okay, and select the drive where you want to save. Select the drive and you can give your file name. And how to open an existing presentation. Existing presentation means the presentation is already there, right, and then that presentation you want to open. So, that is known as existing presentation. So, click on the office button, right, and the click on the open. Okay, you will select a open, so that the file is already there in your computer, and my computer, select the drive and select the folder. Okay, remember where you have saved the file and click on the file and click on OK. This way you can open your existing presentation. And we have learned the built-in templates, right? So, the PowerPoint 2000 give templates includes a sample slide, okay, so that contains various themes and layouts. So, these are the different layouts in your computer, right? Now, in this session, we will continue how to use a design templates, okay, and how to view the presentation. So, these are the different views in PowerPoint. Normal view, slide sorter view, slideshow view, and the note page view. Okay. Now, built-in templates. Okay. Okay, sorry, using design templates. The built-in templates we have already learned. So, design templates. The templates are the set of pre-designed formats that include text, layouts, background, and color scheme, etc. So, which can be applied to any presentation. Okay. Now, you want to apply a design templates in your slide. Okay, this is my present slide. So, click on the design tab. Okay, tab, you know, all of you, right? Design tab. In that you can see theme group. In the theme group, scroll the mouse over the available themes and select the desired. Can you see? You can take the mouse pointer and just scroll the mouse pointer. It is changing, right? Observe the changes on the slide, right? So under design tab, theme group. Okay, now you can use for more template designs. Okay, on the scroll bar at the bottom right, can you see the themes group? Right there you can click. Okay, then you can see the different option over there. Okay, save current theme, browse for themes on your computer or from the internet. So you can use, okay, with the help of network you can browse your themes also, and you can use current theme also. Okay, at present I am using the theme that is I have downloaded from internet. Okay, so you can browse your themes, or you can save current theme also, or you can download the different themes in your computer. Now viewing a presentation, you can view your presentation in different formats like normal view, slide sorter view, note page view and slideshow view. Okay, but remember, by default we always work in normal view. Okay, so the view buttons are available in the presentation view. Okay, in the view tab. Okay, you can click on the view tab and you can select a presentation, the different views in a PowerPoint. Okay, now can you see, click on the view, there 4 different views are there: normal, slide sorter, note page and okay, slideshow. And you can see down. Okay, down also you can see there different 3 views are there. Okay, okay, that this also you can use it. Okay children. Okay, now we will go to the normal view. Okay, so normal view is the main editing view. Okay, where you can edit your presentation. Okay, you can select the design, you can edit your presentation. In normal view you can add text, graphics, sound, okay, animation and other effects as well as. Okay, so you can also have a large view of an individual slide in a slide pane. Yes children, so that is normal view. So you can edit your slide in a normal view. And the second one is slide sorter view. Okay, what is slide sorter view? You can see, you can go to the view button, okay, and slide sorter. It displays a miniature view, okay, of all the slides in a presentations. You can see your slides. Okay, so now here you can see the 16 slides are there. With the help of slide sorter view, you can see the miniature view of all the slides in a presentation. In slide sorter view, you can easily change the order of copy slides. You can delete the slide, okay, add transition effects, animation effects. So it is easy. In this view, you can see, now you want to add that slide, you can add it by copy and paste. Okay, and you want to move the slide from, okay, now see 3 repeated slides are there. So you want to just take the mouse pointer and drag it. Okay, and okay, when you are using animation, transition, you want to copy, you want to make a duplicate slides, you can use a slide sorter view. Is that clear children? Now we will go to the next slide. Okay, so that is slideshow view. Okay, slideshow view. So what is the use of slideshow view? So this view, slideshow view, displays one slide at a time on full screen, right? So this is, yes, so it shows the slides of a presentation. Click on the view and click on the, then you can see the option there. Okay, slideshow. So this way also you can use, or you can use a shortcut key, F5 key. Okay, or you can see select the slide, slideshow. You want to view the slide from current, or you can select the all slides, start beginning. Okay, so you can see the option over there, from beginning or current slide. Okay, so this way we can click on the slideshow button on the status bar also and view slideshow, or you can select a view and select a slideshow option in your computer. Okay, and or you can use F5 key. Now how to go to the move to the next slide? Click on the mouse button or enter or space bar. Okay, you want to quit the slide, escape, press escape key. Now this is note page view. Can you see? Note page view is available on the view tab. It displays the notes page for the selected slide. I have selected a last slide, right? You can see the note page view. So down, right, where you can create additional notes for the current slide. Here you can write additional notes. So when you are showing the presentation, suppose you want to narrate some points, so you can write the here notes. Okay, so these notes are helpful while showing the presentations. Yes, yes children. Okay, now, okay, understood now? So this is what, which one? Notes page view. And the which one, this is what? Slide sorter, right? So this is slide sorter. Now let us glance some points. Okay, so a presentation is what? A collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner to entertain, motivate, convey or give information. Alright. So presentation is a collection of slides. Okay. A blank presentation uses the default setting for text and color. Now placeholders are boxed with the dotted hash marks. Can you see the placeholder? So this is a placeholder, right? Boxes with dotted or hash marked border. Okay. Now MS PowerPoint saves the file name as extension was .pptx. Okay. When you save your document file, it will give a .doc. Now you want to see, click on the My Computer and click on your drive where you have saved the file. You want to see the extension of your file, click on your folder. See, this is your file, my first file. Right click and click on the properties so that you will understand. So here Microsoft PowerPoint, the extension, see the computer is giving, this is automatic, right? So you can see a .pptx. Okay, that means if it is a PowerPoint file, so the extension is what? .pptx. Okay, the templates. So templates are the set of pre-designed formats that include text, layouts, color scheme, etc. that helps in creating a beautiful presentation. What are the views now? Normal view, slide sorter view and slideshow view button are available on the status bar. You can see 3 views are available in the status bar. But then if you want to go to the note page view, then you will click on the view menu, right? Now you can also select the theme to type from the installed themes. How will you go? Click on the new. You want to select the installed theme. Click on the new file and you will select the installed theme. Yes children. And the PowerPoint is saved with which extension? .pptx. And the document file is MS Word file DOCS. That is a .docs. Now shortcut keys. You want to save your presentation, you will click Office button and save. Okay, but you can use a shortcut key Ctrl plus S. And okay, you can create a new presentation, you will use Ctrl plus N. And you want to open a presentation, Ctrl plus O. Saving is Ctrl plus S. New file, Ctrl plus N. And the opening file, Ctrl plus O. Okay, S, N, O. Saving, new and opening a file. So now you can close your file using 3 methods. Okay, these are the different methods are there to close your file. So you can, first of all, you can see in the right exit button, click on the file Office button and you can close. Okay, this is the first method. Or you can see in the right hand side, close button is there, yeah, cross button. All of you know this cross button. You can select a cross button from your application. Okay, And you can use the one more thing, you can click on the office button and you can click on the exit. Yes children, okay. So we will open a file again. Now open your file, open and select your file, double click desktop, select your, remember where you will save your file, in the iDrive, right, here my presentation, okay. So this is the file. Now you can close here, you can exit your presentation, the exit, okay. Now when you exit, click on the corner, okay, but or exit button, see here, office button and exit button. Yes children, so we have completed the third lesson, so that is PowerPoint, right, MS Office. In this session we have learned what are the different views in PowerPoint. So that is normal view, okay. In the normal view you can, what you can do, you can edit, you can put a graphic, sound, animation and other effects as well as, right. And we have learned the slide sorter view. So this displays what, miniature view of all slides in a presentations. And we have learned slideshow view. This view displays the one slide at a time, on one slide at a time on full screen mode, right. And we have learned the note page view, okay. So in the note page view you can display the notes page for the selected slide. Yes children, we will stop this session. Sai Ram.